Tell them who you are. If you're living in the movement, you wanna praise God. This is how we do it.
What up, Dakota boys? Anyways, our project for today is we're going to clean these rims up. Well, they're aluminum rims. I can't stand shiny rims. It's just too much work, man. You're always out there having to clean that and polish. I ain't got time for that. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is first we're going to go and we're going to scrub it down with some wheel cleaner. I do not recommend this stuff, but with my rims, they're really harsh. They're really bad shape. So I'm going to use that to kind of strip them a little bit. And then once I get it stripped down, then I clean them up, power wash them, use that stuff. And then I'm going to take some isotone and a scrubber or a piece of sandpaper. Pretty aggressive sandpaper. I think it's like 80 grit. And I'll go over the whole rim with that to scuff the metal up because it is aluminum. I mean, that freaking rhino liner stick to everything. So once I get it isotone, then I'll wipe it down a couple of times to get any debris off of it. And then we're going to use a rhino liner on it. This is just black rhino liner. You pop the top, you put the bottom on it, pop it, shake it up for 2 minutes. You always want to keep this about 2 foot away though, because you get too close, you'll puddle real quick. You can't control it. Anyways, so we're going to clean them up, rhino line them basically. And while the rhino line's drying, I'm going to use this. This is a it's just a sealer. Only you spray this on the frame and the rear end to kind of clean that up. It's got a lot of surface rust, nothing major. I'll kind of clean that up a little bit and then spray it, make it look good underneath the truck. You know, it's old Dakotas, man, they rust up pretty good. But we got body work and all kinds of other stuff to do on it. But for right now, we're gonna go scuff these rims up, man. So one can, we'll do both sides, no problem. I just want to see if this is going to work out pretty good. See how it's going to work. We're going to let that dry for 1 hour, and then I'll pull the tape off and stuff. And then the caps, I didn't have enough for the rhino liner to do the caps. I really didn't want to put rhino on there, so I used these. It's like a rubber coating. Just put that on there real quick, just to make it black. But these are gonna look really nice once I get that off. It's gonna look real nice, man, real nice. Don't they look awesome? Those Venum lug nuts, they don't take that impact very well. Impact knocked the freaking powder coating right off of them, but they look really good, really good. I like those. I like that a lot, man. That whole look looks really good. Like I said, the whole truck, new metal, and then we'll do the whole truck in this army green. So the whole truck is going to look like that. Looks really good, don't it? What you think, man? Give me a thumbs up whether or not you like it. Also went ahead and sprayed the frame. It's a It's a sealer basically. It's like a black paint, but it's rubberized, and it's to encapsulate any surface rust, stuff like that. So let me know what you think about them rims, man. They're pretty cool. It look better than the chrome. I don't like chrome. So let me know what you think.